Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Abdel Salim Garba. I'm a chartered accountant and influencer on YouTube. I created this YouTube channel to give advice to young African people about entrepreneurship, personal development and employment, because I'm convinced that the development of Africa cannot achieve without young Africans, and each young African need to take his own responsibility of the continent, of his own life. We need to be involved with the in the building of our continent. So each day, on daily basis, we are trying to give advice, to share interviews, to share advice about entrepreneurship, personal development, and topics to challenge, to motivate, to inspire every young Africans, guys. So today I will make a quick summary of a newspaper article of Mr. Kevin Kelly, which is a writer. He wrote on a newspaper article. He wrote something about 1,000 true fans. 1,000 true fans. What does it mean? It means for him that if you are an artist in global general language, an artist in general context, an artist does not mean only guys who create some things. No, artist for him can be an entrepreneur, can be a geologist, can be a physician, can be an IT guys, an engineer, can be a quality guys, risk officer, etc. Each guys who has some talent, something he can share with other people and after sell with other people. So he said that if you are an artist and want to make living of your own art, you don't need $1 million, you don't need 1 million clients, you don't need 1 million fans, you don't need to be a star or to become a rock star. You just need to convince 1,000 people, 1,000 true fans, 1,000 guys who will support you in every circumstances. How he is defining a true fan? He said that a true fan is a guy that you convinced and which is attracted by which is interested by the same things like you, which is passionate about the same thing like you, and which will buy every product you will sell, you will produce. If you produce something, he will buy it from you. The true fan can make 300 kilometers from his home to come to see your concert if you are a musician, or to see you in a seminar if you are a coach, etc. A true fan will buy everything you will produce. And he said that the conditions that a true fan can buy everything you are producing, he said that there are two main conditions. The first one is that you need to produce enough for 1 year and to allow a customer, one fan, and to allow to one fan to buy from you minimum per year from $100 in terms of purchase. So if I say it in another way, you need to get to sell per fan minimum $100 per year. So if you produce enough to sell minimum from $100 revenue per year to your fans, this is the first condition. The second condition is to be in direct relation, to be close to your customers, to be close, to be in direct relation with your customers, with your fans. He said that if you don't build a true relationship with your customers, with your fan, you cannot convince them enough to buy something from you. So these are the two conditions. The first one, your fan, you should produce enough to sell per fan minimum $100, and the second condition, you need to be close and very friendly with your fan and your customers. He said that in older time, to reach your customers was very complicated. For example, if you was a musician, you can, even if you produce an album, a DVD, etc., you need to go through an intermediary, a label, etc., a production house, etc., and you will pay some fees, etc. It was very complicated for artists in old time. But today, with internet, with just a microphone and internet, you can reach your customer. You don't need to pay any intermediary before to reach your customer. You can talk to your customer directly. So the best moment to create and to reach your 1,000 fans is now. And he said that if you sell $100 per fan per year, by fan per year, if you have 1,000 fans, it does mean that you will make, in terms of income, $100,000. So you will see that it's very simple. You just need to produce enough to sell $100 per year per fan, and multiply by 1,000 fans, you will earn $100,000. With $100,000 in terms of revenue, you will live a very great life. Very great life. You will be a rich person. So give value in first. Work hard, give value in first. Try to reach your true fans and convince them that you are the right people, and share with them your passion. Share with them your passion. Be close, be very close and direct with them, and sooner or later you will reach success and financial independence.
Vous avez besoin d'un expert comptable? Consultez ses services sur cficafrique.org et sur YouTube Réussir au pays.
Another point is Mr. Kevin Kelly said that if you see there is one innovation for creators, for inventors, there is one innovation for inventors or artists or entrepreneurs. For there is one innovation in this area in our area, which is the crowdfunding. The crowdfunding is the best way to get funding for a new project. It depends on your topics, on your area of expertise, on the product you want to do, you want to make, etc. Even if you have not the funds, if you take example of platform like Quickstarter, which is crowdfunding's website, in Quickstarter, get funding, get funding from people. Around $3 billion of funding they got to finance 100,000 projects. So 100,000 projects get funding via Quickstarter platform, crowdfunding platform. Crowdfunding, what does it mean? Crowdfunding means that if you are an entrepreneur, for example, and you have 100,000 CFA, you need 100,000 CFA, or you need around $150, for example, $150 in terms of funding in terms of investment. You will go on this kind of platform, Quickstarter, say to people, to the crowd, guys, this is my project, I want to do this one, this is the guarantee I offer you, please support me, because I'm passionate about quality, I'm passionate about cakes, I'm passionate about technology, etc. You will find around between 200 and 300 people who will support you and fund you just with their own money, small money. 200 people, if they give only $1, 200 people give you $1, you will get your $200 in terms of funding. This is the power of crowdfunding. So the most important lessons Mr. Kevin Kelly we retain from this newspaper article. He said that you need to know that if you want to make a living from your art today, even if you are an entrepreneur, you are an artist, a musician, a creator, an engineer, etc. If you want to live of your art, of your own art, you need to know that the best moment to start is now because of internet. The second lesson you need to retain is that it does not matter if you are not reaching 1,000 true fans of something like that. It does not matter. The most important thing is to work on the value you are giving to other people. And if you are convinced just few people, know that the most important thing is that the people you convinced will not be fake people. You will build a really great relationship with them, so it's not a cheating relation, so it will help you too, and it will just give you some happiness to reach some people who share the same passion with you. So don't be focused only on 1,000 true fans you need to get. Focus on the value and the passion you are sharing with other people. So I hope that this video will help you. Sooner or later will inspire you and give you value. If you appreciate it, please don't forget to put us the like. Please share, and don't forget please to subscribe now, because we are giving a lot of value like this video. We are giving a lot of summary. We are trying to build champions, young Africans, entrepreneurs, champions in Africa, from Africa, because we are convinced that the success in Africa is in the hand of the young African people. Thanks for watching us. Thanks for supporting every day. And don't forget please to subscribe, and see you tomorrow for the next video. Cheers. Take care. Ciao, ciao.